So how did it go? Were you able to get anything?
But yeah, I wasn't able to get anything tangible. But then I called my uncle in the city. He's into importation of sunflower oil, granite oil and stuff. I'm just crossing my fingers and hoping that he comes back with a good news.
That's good. At least I am relieved now. And I believe he will give you the good news you deserve.
I really hope so too.
He will.
That's basically the last hope.
Relax, everything will be fine, okay?
Thank you.
Do you have anything in the house that I can prepare for you to eat?
Yes, I have some tubers of yam, but that's just it.
It's okay, I'll make porridge yam, so I'll just go out and get things for that, okay?
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. What can I do without you?
Hey.
Thank you.
I'm coming.
All right.
Okay.
Yo, waiting the delay. Why she never give another money?
Give us which money? Because we never even listen to our plans. Talk more of to even give us the money. I bet you should look at our face again. No? Try.
You know, say a person biggest enemy dey inside house. Biggest enemy, so he dey inside house. Una know why she never press that money come.
Why?
Fear and jealousy. She's the reason say if she gives out this money now, una go dey make more. Una go dey look at less. Una no go comport. Now why? If not, she for don't press this money come tete. Now why?
Hey, guy, your head dead there. Now true you talk oh. All you dey your head now true. I dey see your point of view right now. Hey.
So now you know say I dey talk fat.
Hey.
Now they tell you wetin go happen be say what must be must be.
Bam.
Una go make am this big madam. I don't turn am finish.
No, we go make am.
Yeah.
No two ways about
just carry the 5 million for here now. Case close.
Now talk you talk, I been a whisper, you whisper. I see they worry this one.
Ayan. I say carry the 5M. Chakom.
No, they talk again. If you don't want to talk with sense, no, they talk again. Should be 5 million. I don't think it's not 2 million. Now we go ask her. You see they talk 5 million.
We don't
they look at our face. You see they talk 5 million.
No, they yarn this kind of thing. You don't know they there. Come on for there. Move, we go where we want feel rich.
They pay this orange first. Since you don't get what you want to do.
You don't already talk and say we go make her. Nothing go stop her. That girl, we go make her normally. We go drive Range Rover.
Bring 2 million, come start crazy business.
I know they bring and come for you.
Which one be crazy
Respect
business?
yourself.
They have sold their conscience. Selfish people, foolish girls. Every day fighting, every day wahala. East, west, north and south. Ghana, Bekasi. In this case, I don't know what to say.
Amara, from your results, you are 6 weeks gone. Yes, pregnant. 6 weeks. The only thing I have to advise you on is to come and register for antenatal so that you start early to take care of the pregnancy, because there is absolutely no way I am encouraging you on an abortion. Okay. Thank you.
You'll be fine.
Yeah, thank you.
Amara, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be at the market.
I'm pregnant. 6 weeks pregnant for you.
Hey, Amara, no now. You are pregnant. Hey, Amara, no now, no, not now. You cannot be pregnant.
What do you mean I can't be pregnant? Am I not your girlfriend? Have we not been seeing each other?
Amara, I know you're my girlfriend. I'm just talking. This period, it's not the right time now, Amara. What are you talking about? I cannot take responsibility for this. Just take a good look at me. I can't even take care of myself. You basically take care of me.
So why didn't you think about it? Silas, please. Can we just stop apportioning blames and think? Think of way forward. Please. Okay?
Amara, there is nothing to think. There is nothing to think. I cannot take care of this right now. I can't be responsible for this right now. This is not the right time. You should understand. This thing will put everything on hold. It will stagnate us. We're still trying to get somewhere and you are coming with pregnancy. No, now. You have to get rid of it too.
You can't take responsibility.
Nah, Amara, I cannot. Please. And you have to start going. Biko.
That I should leave?
Please come and start living. Biko. Start living. This thing is adding to the stress I have already. I have a lot of stress. And Amara, Biko, we cannot do this. Not now. Amara, I love you so much, but Amara. Since it's this one,
Silas. Silas. Silas, why now? Why?
I think it makes sense. They go my friend. Ada. Before they catch you.
This one you did like this. Wetin happen? You don't dey do this chichichi since. Wetin dey happen?
She won't cry you.
You dey okay?
Wetin happen now? Ada talk now. If person find your trouble, you tell us. I heard 2 by 2 we match go there. Tell us, no need to dey fry your face. We got you.
I'm pregnant.
Hey! Silas don't like you give you belle. Finally, oh fine. You know, so I don't think say in dey impotent too. True. You know, say all those Goliaths, all those mighty people, they know they get anything for under them. I can't feel say in dey impotent. I just they talk sharp. Finally, don't prove it say in be mad. I mean, when be the marriage?
Wait. No tell me say you reject the pregnancy or you deny her.
He actually did. He said he doesn't want the pregnancy. He even walked me out of his house.
Hey, Akara yasago. Akara yasago.
Silas get mind pursue you come up for your house. You know tell am say na only us get the right to do you anyhow.
No. So he don't chop okpa finish. You don't finish your okpa clean mouth. Like say you don't chop anything. You don't price market. The person wey price market go pay now.
Ada.
It's okay.
Ada. You know nothing go happen. You know say for this family na me get sense. Na me dey think for everybody. We dey go Silas place. Make we go. Get up, make we go.
No, relax. Just hold on, okay? Well, if you ask me, I would say Silas is just angry. He has been feeling overwhelmed for some time now. He has a lot going on and he has been thinking too much. So it's most likely that he wasn't in a right frame of mind when I gave him the news. So when he relaxes, he will come around.
He's thinking too much.
I see.
I won't relieve his stress from thinking, Ada. Make we go there. Silas, get mind, deny your pregnancy. In the grace.
No, we need to reset the brain.
We are not going anywhere.
Ada, you go.
See, the only reason I will follow you guys out is you have to promise me that we are not going there to create violence. I don't want any chaotic situation. We just have to talk to him maturely and have a better understanding. That's all. And then we go. We'll just beg him probably to take me back and the pregnancy, and that is it. I don't want chaotic situation.
Okay, no problem. No worry yourself. Me, Somto, personally, I go beg am for you. I no go fight, I no go create any chaos. As a matter of fact, immediately I just see Silas like this, I go rush am, hold am for him leg. Oga Silas, abeg, make you no dey pump us, abeg. We wan make you come our family, come marry my sister. I want you to be the father figure in our family as we be orphans. Abeg, Oga Silas, abeg, we dey beg you. Even if you want drink, we go use drink, come beg you. Abeg, come marry our sister. How you say?
Fine.
E good like that, abi?
Fine. Okay? Provided we don't create chaos. We just have to talk to him. Beg him to take me back, and that's all. Please, I don't want violence.
Shikina.
Ada.
Please.
Ada. Wetin she talk now? Wetin you want?
It's fine by me if we are going to do it that way.
Make we dey
If
go.
we are going to do it that way.
No chaos now.
Because I know you girls. I wouldn't want if you get there, you start
Ada,
fighting
make we
him.
dey go now. You don't talk now wetin you want. Now me personally no
She
go
go
beg.
keep quiet.
I go keep quiet. She
Me
don't
now,
gree say she go kneel down. She go beg. I don say okay now. Make we reach there first. Then everything will come dey flow accordingly. Abi? Make we dey go.
I be peacemaker. Allow me to handle this thing properly.
Ada, make we go.
No chaos, abi? No
Please,
fight.
no chaos,
Ada,
no
make we
violence.
go now.
Move dey go.
Make we go. Dey front, make we dey go.
But I don't want any chaos because I know you girls. And that we said serious. Stay from I will not be happy if you get there and start embarrassing him. Okay. You just talk to him calmly.
Okay.
Who could they go?
So don't you sit there back, dey do
Don't worry,
waka
there will be no chaos. Ebere, if you reach there, just keep your mouth.
now make we dey
If you
go.
reach there, just keep your mouth shut, oh, no talk. Cause I know you too dey get hot temper. Don't they tell you make they reduce your hot temper? Sis, I
Okay.
got you. I got you. I got you, sis. Let's go.
Make na dey front, I dey. Na make I no talk if I reach there. I dey back now, na still dey complain. Make na dey go, I dey follow.
Sis, no worry, I
Let
got
us
you.
go.
Let's go.
Are you sure I can trust this movement?
You can trust me. I'm dey in charge. She go just keep
Where
quiet.
we dey
Let me be the
go?
ice water for this movement.
Mhm.
Let us go. He will marry you.
Silas! Silas, that stupid fool!
You guys should take it.
You get mind! Give my sister Bella! You went wrong! Silas, come back! No, let me talk.
Come
I
out,
am going
go.
out here.
What nonsense?
You don't know. What is it now? Your father! What is it?
What is this thing now? What kind of nonsense is this?
Just relax, okay? He was just angry. He spoke out of anger. When he is relaxed, he will come around. I know he will definitely want to marry me. Just stop.
Over my dead body. Marry you for what? Did you discuss any marriage? I am any marriage.
Did you hear that?
Go, that's from my car.
Yeah, it's fine. It's okay.
Sorry.
Sorry.
What did you say? I sorry for. What did they worry you? Did you just stop? Did you hear what he said?
Ada, you know what's in there? You see the two of us. Now only we get rats to get up to you anyhow. See this idiot. Turn and go fire back.
Ada, what you say? Don't push. I know you not. Now you let them. Wait, you say they go. Wait, you say they go. You stress. Hold on. Let me not go. Ada, come carry me to hospital. Manage. You said that boy, eh? If I sorry. Ada, I don't. Just leave me alone. Ada, see blood. Let's go to hospital now.
What did you say happened to Amara?
I should go fetch water. Now she fall. I should go carry the bucket.
She fell. Barely 2 hours after I announced her pregnancy to her. Do I have to believe you ladies? Is this a possible tactic to terminate the pregnancy because I refuse to grant her an abortion?
Oh no, she just for now will help and come here. I don't know.
Well, sorry to break the news to you. The fetus in her womb is gone because she experienced a miscarriage.
Hey, doctor, you mean say the pikin don't die?
Exactly. I just hope she finds the courage to bear this loss, because what sort of a pretty bad fall is that?
Doctor, I beg, if you see her.
No, you can't. She's under sedative because she's experiencing pain, and that's going to last like 3-4 hours max. I don't know. I just hope she comes out of this fine. Iberi, make we go track Silas.
Bros.
I be ready, brother, when you get this house.
I see how we carry back the wrong commode. So I can lock him door.
Come on, Silas, don't run. Where they go?
I don't know.
Hey, this guy.
These two guys are ready to fight you every day fighting, every day wahala. East, west, north and south. Ghana, Pekasi. They are ready to scatter. They don't care at all.
Bend down, Celeste. My brother, come back for your babe now. Stop. Follow the come. Bend down, Celeste. If you try and you don't like her, tell her come back. Are we there? Bend down, Celeste. Big two, I go dash you one. Thank you, my brother. You go fix your face. You know what you don't push my customer now. Which kind of problem? My brother, no best. Oh, yeah, pick two on fire. Select. Go side where I go. How many now? How many? 6. Oh, yeah, now pick. Bring 9 come. Select. Na bubu dey go boutique. Oh yeah, big. This one fine. This one
Give me that one. That one fine.
This one fine too.
Yeah.
All right. That's good. Select. Who dey here? Come and pick your own. You don't finish. Mama, pick your own.
You don't complete 6.
Okay. Oh yeah, now small money.
How much?
I don't see you last week now.
I've been travel before.
Okay.
This one fine, no. How much for this one? How much?
1.5.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh yeah, now pack down for me.
Madam, do now. Do quick. Make it go.
Calm down. Now what is the buy?
Say you get big.
After they buy, now so me they buy.
They go.
Madam, you count the money. That girl a criminal.
They correct. Oh yeah, now bring your money for your own.
Madam Ken, I made me you know say as we dey come now, we and Amara follow.
Okay.
Now she carry the bag when money dey inside. So when she dey come, she go there go buy something. So as she dey come, you go tell her me she give you the 6,000.
No be 6,000. 8,000.
Oh, no verse. Yes, now sleep of the
she dey come.
She dey come.
So make I wait for you. No go tell she go pass abi.
No, she just dey buy something for there. If you bend well now, you go see.
Now all of us follow, but we dey go pursue something, so we need to fast. We leave her, but she go pass. No wahala.
Oh yeah, I hear my
No problem.
Say well,
Let's go.
you go make plenty money today.
Amen.
Oh yeah, now.
My brother, come here. Man, go there. You go business. Bend down, Select. Now who dey go boutique?
Ready to fight you Every day fighting, every day wahala, east, west, north and south. They are ready to scatter.
This early morning. And I don't live here. I almost 4 days now. These girls never come back. And their sister never sit up. Eh? That's why I'll go stand here they wait. I don't tire. Mama, I have this thing. So that I don't know how.
Abonye mergada, wachiki mergada.
Ada,
Hey.
which kind thing be this one now? I dey for son they wait for you since you wake up, just come here, come sit down. You're not supposed to come give me my money.
Which money are you talking about?
I don't understand. Which one be which money? Your sisters come my shop, come pick clothes now. Say they give you money, may you give me. Make I wait. After market where you go set today, you go pass my shop, come give me am. So which one you just waka come as come sit down? They stress me.
My sisters came to your shop and picked clothes. And you sold it to them. My sisters. Ejowalese.
Wait, no, you get waiting I never understand. Wait, they don't give you money, give me. Wait, your sisters, they come my shop this morning. First people will open market for me. 8,000 naira. They say make I no worry. Say if they come out from market, you go branch, give me money. So I don't understand the one way they keep body like say you and them no get agreement. What's happen?
They told you I'm the one to pay.
Give me my 8,000. Now waiting carry me come. I don't get power for all this plenty talk. First market what I said today. I beg, Mona give me the money because.
Just hold on. I'm coming, okay?
Abonye mergada, wachiki mergada. Mama said we must depend on you to survive. Ebelandi Santochi, two sisters na big wala. Dedi wala, Tananaya. Ebelandi Santochi, two sisters na big wala.
What kind of nonsense is this? As I give us our quote, I beg. How much is 10,000 and I cannot pay? Make sure everything is complete.
You know, you should be ashamed of yourself. I swear. Yes, look at your younger ones. You are looking so unkempt. You can't even take care of us. If na man now, you carry money, give her. And that sister my food. Are they? It's complete. And that sister my food. No verse. You see, make I want 2 of una.
Who you dey want?
You see this una 2 left leg.
You ain't get right one.
Wait, I don't understand. Early morning, I just use bad luck. Go show me bad luck this morning. How I go collect market? Come tell me say your sister go pay me while she don't get the money to pay. Make una not try am again.
Respect yourself. You not gonna point out your leke finger before you come near me.
Before I open my eye, now
don't come for here. I manage all these smelly clothes. Make I even more manage. You there they talk. No, carry your leke.
It's not even good. She already. Why this one I never understand. I no be a down. You see this one that way they pop on. I go beat you. See that? I know they look at your face. I don't beat you. You know what? I know they look at your face. Ma, use this thing for you. They mad.
Come on for this. Come on for here.
Idiot. Your mate they sell designers. Call they sell they shake now. 2,000.
You tell me leke call they talk. Now what you want this one say? I play your mate. If you don't have sense. If you like give me. Wait till we don't want that. You can't do anything. Which can't give me that boy? Mama, that you know. Now what you do this one now? So you can't don't drive them. You cannot beat me. I'm not expecting you my elder sister. You know say you push me for just now. You know beat me. You know people time. Why don't pull her? You know people want hard. And then fight other person. You don't say this thing. Let's just 2 years. How go take Peter? Oh, you know you bring say you know you can't fight. I don't fight for you. I don't fight. Who you dey fight for? I dey fight myself. I'm a lie. I don't have Gidigba. Hey, you. I know you people. What the worry you?
Papa. I want to follow you talk something. Papa, you know say I don't reach to marry. I need to settle down. I need a wife. Ezigbo one more says so kwako. Akaro go by here brother.
You are mad. You are very, very stupid. Chukudi, how did I even manage to have you as a son? Chukudi, What is wife? Define wife.
Papa, wife is a person. I go marry am, she go come inside. I go dey put small money on top in head. Understand? She go deal with me, I go deal with her, she go represent. I'm here called Toto. You know what I understand? She go born pikin 12. You don't used to get grandchildren.
Okay. You mean baby factory?
Bam.
Ngwanu, where is the house you built? Or better still, which house do you intend opening for this your baby factory business?
Papa, yeah, I reach like 5 plots. Wetin 12 children go enter here. Plus, if you want leave, like say na option dey.
Cholo. So you want to go and bring a woman inside my compound so that she will be laying children like chicken, okay?
Papa, this compound na me and you get am. Tomorrow now you die, na me go take over. So come on,
go Cholo ever. You will die before me. Chukudi, the only thing that can come from this your miserable head is to get married. Or get in a Maggie. Eh?
Papa, if you dey call, no dey talk miserable.
Get up for him before
no dey talk. I no dey like am. If you talk to me, no dey put miserable.
Some never boy.
If I marry wife now, you go dey enjoy am. You go get grandchildren.
Get out. Boom never. Give him medicine.
Hey. Papa, I my own food.
Sit never boy. Hey, atokwa mato.
I do too.
Chukudi, where did you get the yam you are eating?
But you don't dey see me finish. I know they like am. You don't dey see me. Which time you say, so I know if you go buy food, give myself.
Chukudi,
Nah,
which business did you engage in to provide yam for yourself? Chukudi, I'm asking you. Chukudi. Okay, no problem. If anybody eventually comes looking for any stolen item, I will hand you over to them as a burnt offering. Although you are not holy, you are not acceptable. But I will hand you over to them without even blinking twice.
Papa, now so they think of me. Forget this anything, all the experience I got, everything I do today now you.
Tofia, you are very stupid for that statement. You are very stupid. Don't worry. If anybody comes here asking of any missing item, I will hand you over. Now, never. You talk about that.
Papa, you don't do the first place for my food. The food. Allow me this food that I digest. Calm down, no. You better roll in the
I don't look like they do. They won't jump person left. This is nonsense move when you come.
Ebere.
Hot gist. I see they hot. Knock me to her. Knock me. Hot gist. I see they hot. I
beg download.
You don't go believe what I just see just now.
Who be that?
Silas.
You don't come back to this village.
You need to see Sai dey on another level. I say for say one big car. Babe, if you see this car, Silas will finally make am. He just dey drive mele, just dey twist in hand like this. I say, hey, na Sai be this oh.
I beg you, clear your mouth. Which kind dirty lie be that one?
Me dey lie.
Which time Silas come up for this village? Where you can't go make money, take buy motor?
Waske, you for add jam join now. Till they worry for print the answer sheets for me like this make I begin the right answer. No me I get out this village. I won't take no when he come out, when he comes to come back. And they tell you what I see with my two koro eye like this, just now. You tell me nonsense. I ask my rock give you juicy one, they talk anyhow.
Wait, you mean now?
I be like person when they lie. I be like person when no get eye. I see Silas. Silas don't finally make am.
We've raised the king, go.
What you they talk like
Yeah,
this?
you would all raise king like that. If not be the way we dey
Make
finish
we
am.
rush go tell Amara.
Habi,
We gasp
partake for
we
this
need to
blessing.
partake.
He show me
We
that.
reach here, we'll break the news subtly.
To her, Habi.
Now so they teach us for school.
Subtle.
Subtly.
Subtle.
Make we go
All
tell
of them join us.
Hey! A king has been born. I swear. Tell my man.
Come on now, where you go now? Come on now. You never finish. Come.
Chukudi! Hey!
Papa, this is what you do. I know they like him. Nah, you dey hug me too much. I know they like him. This is it easy to find girl wey go dey give you on the rainy season.
Hey, Chukudi!
Nah, Papa, you dey want me too much. Me, I know they like him. Now
So-
my future wife will just pursue like that too.
So you want to plant danger in my house? Eh? Chukudi! I will sell you off before you plant everlasting problem in my compound. Chukudi! Hey!
Papa, this is what you do. I know they like him. Try be planning. Nah, now my future wife. You know, this is easy to find girl. Oh, me pera girl. This is easy.
Then you go and rent a house. Not under my roof. You are defiling my house. Ogene? Huh?
Nah, one mom catch up like that too. Papa, you know they're good though. Who take it
They
there?
are very soon. Go on, deliver.
Your heart over. Premium over, Biago Wano. Your premium over.
Aga, what is it?
So you never received the updates.
What is it?
Update there.
What update are you talking about?
Silas is back to this village.
Bam, life and direct.
Silas?
Okay. You need to see Silas. Now you never hear say Silas don't come. Oh. Ha! This whole village they shake, everybody they shout everywhere they make gym. Big boy! You need to see the car when Silas drive.
Big car.
Ha!
How are you? Ebere, I don't know where to start from, but I know that I did your sister wrong. I broke her heart. I broke her trust and our oath. I abandoned her when she needed me the most. But please, just find it in your heart somewhere to forgive me.
Who you speaking English for? Me? No. I resemble Amara. You know, get eye. Look me where my height, my shape, and my size. It be like Amara size. Who you supposed to tell sorry? You dey craze. See, I promise myself and my ancestors say, anywhere I foresee you for this world, even if maybe they don't carry me for inside coffee as I dey go, I just see sigh there around the corner. I go wake up, I will first treat your fuck up. And today I don't catch you. I must treat your fuck up. You don't do my sister. After every battle for this life, when you don't do my sister, you nearly kill my sister for me. You there, they tell me sorry. You dey mad? See, you think na because of this nyama nonsense, this pangolo idiotic. Well, the car self no be like. This one not even be car safe. This nonsense so you carry come here. You don't go borrow person motor. One can't take from Buga big boy. Be a chain when you borrow for a bulky hand. Come stand there. One can tell me, no try yourself. No try. Come here, come receive your punishment. Come here, come collect punishment.
Ebere, by the special grace of God, the sky is mine. Yes. I actually started a business when I left the village. And the business is going fine. And part of the reason why I came back to the village is for your sister. I'm here to look for your sister. Please, where can I find her?
You know if you find her. Shy? You say this can I your own?
Yes.
You get business when you do. You dey double me and be you dey talk true.
I'm telling you the truth.
You sure say you no thief this motor?
Ebere, why will I be lying about it? Please, where can I find your sister?
No, they question me quick. You wait first, smart think. I don't know. and you no fit see am. Even if my sister there, I no go still tell you where e dey. But I go think am. Because you too show my sister shege, I go think am. Hi! And even if you see my sister sef, she fit no forgive you. She fit no forgive you because this one you don't talk say you dey do business so. I go see how fit talk to am because I think say you go still be a fool when you come back. But as you can't do business, you say this one na one of your car.
Yes.
Ah.
Please, point me to a direction.
Amara!
Well, that's good for him.
Just like that.
I'm going to sell my market. Do you girls want to join me?
No.
Your cinematic premium over here.
Ebere, wetin just happen now? Abi she no hear the car part wey we talk?
This one sef shock me. Just leave an initial gra dey do am.
Yeah, I feel say the news just give her one kind of shock.
See, when she come back, na stress. When she come back, we'll play the cassette again.
Or she fit even dey reason am as she dey go sef. Her brain go reset.
No, she no even need reason am. She dey feel say we dey play prank.
Na true. She sabi joke well, na true.
Leave her na initial gra dey worry am.
Just in shock.
Hi! Silas don finally make am.
You have made it far.
Sai,
Ichie.
can I say ebe from that? I hope everything is okay.
I'll be sorry, Ichie.
Well, can you go do it? You can eat moji. Hi.
Thank you, Ichie.
Yeah. You see, you really destroyed the harmonious spark left in Amara. After she lost that baby, she lost every piece in herself with it.
Ichie, I'm very aware of that. To tell you the truth, I did Amara wrong. I couldn't take responsibility for my actions. I failed her. I failed the oaths that we took. But you see, Ichie, that is why I'm here now. I'm here to rekindle that fire, that love that once existed between us.
I'm even surprised you came for her. That shows how much you regret your actions.
You see, Ichie, I love Amara so much. Amara is my life. She is the air that I breathe. I love her with everything in me, with the blood that runs in my veins. Ichie, to tell you the truth, there is no day that goes by that I do not think of Amara. See? But at the time, I didn't have enough to take care of us. That is why I'm here, Ichie. For you to please help me speak to Amara. Help me talk to her. Help me let her see reasons. At least now I have enough to take care of myself and her. Please, Ichie. She means the world to me, and I need her back in my life. I cannot live in affluence without her. It's not possible.
It's alright. I've heard you. And I will definitely talk to her.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
No, Ichie. It's okay. When next I come?
Yes, yes, that is the price for the land. So if you are ready, just bring your lawyer so that we'll come and start signing the papers. I need it urgent. I just need it urgent. I want to use that money. Yeah? Thank you.
Papa, sorry for what happened today. No verse. Body move me, I move the body too. No verse.
Chogodi.
Sir?
Are you apologizing because you are hungry or you are tired of running?
Papa, na collabo.
Well, no need for your silly apology. I have already made an arrangement to take you out of this village to the city.
For what?
Yes, you are going to meet my brother in the city and learn business. At least that will make you more responsible.
Papa, Mamia.
Mamia.
Mantra.
You will not.
Who will take care of my wife? My wife to be.
Chukode, you have to go back to where you are coming from and look for food and eat. You have to go back. Not Chiata. Shut. Come on from my face.
Papa, this is what you do. You don't make sense. You don't make sense. Open door first. Oh yeah, go city. Open door, go city. Open door, go city.
Uncle Biko, stop telling me that. I don't like it. Uncle, this boy is very wicked. He's a very wicked boy. I told you what he did to me. Uncle, I stood with this guy. I stood by him against all odds. He left me when I needed him the most. He failed me. He rejected me. And now you want me to go back to him because he just came back from the city. I won't try it. Him and his money should go to hell. I don't care.
Amara, it's not that I want to justify his actions, no. But for a man like this to come back and say, I am sorry. Look at it now. The young man really loves you. Yeah? Not all men will do this. So nothing could have stopped him to start up a family in the city there. And nothing will happen. Rather, you will be the one that will lose. Huh? But he still swallowed the shame. Came back to this place and ready to say, I am sorry. Why not give him a second chance?
I don't want it. He should go with his sorry. He should go to hell. I don't need it.
Let's give him a second chance.
If I had died in the process, wouldn't he have married another person?
The truth is, definitely, as far as you are living here on earth, someone must offend you and you must forgive. When there is no offense, there will be no forgiveness. Amara, what did you just do? Well, let me excuse both of you.
I deserve that. I'm so sorry.
You left me.
Obim, I'm so sorry. It hurts me every day to know what I did to you. It was wrong. It was evil. I broke our oath. Please, I'm here to ask for your forgiveness. And I promise you, I will never, ever leave your side again. Please, be my wife. Marry me. Make me a complete man.
If it not be you, in no way that Adamu, there is no one else. If it not be you, in no way that Adadima, there is no one else. Adadima,
Adamo. My children. Since both of you have found love in the eyes of each other, love, peace, and unity will never depart from you.
Same.
This union shall be fruitful. More wine. Our chief will cement this marriage. No one no human being will put an asunder. Say, every good thing you desire in this marriage must surely come to pass.
Manager.
What is life?
See this one. If you dey go, you can go give your papa.
Make I see am.
Reserve bench.
Chukwusu, you don't try when today.
One man say give me.
Correct manager.
Baby.
As make I give you 2 minutes, they see front.
One man say so.
Oh yeah.
Download.
Something na me and you go share this one.
You no carry cup.
Which cup you dey craze? You send me message.
If you open am now, how will you share am now?
I don't tire. Party too hot oh. Those again people they play music.
Make I use this one, they step down.
They step down. Go ahead.
I open am for you. I open am.
Eh. Oh yeah oh.
Oh God is here.
Yeah.
Our husband.
All these souvenir on their share, sha.
Oh God is there.
If I wait.
My mom.
Hey, guys.
Mama says so.
Sai.
Oga Sai.
So just open all your 32, just dash our sister like that so.
No,
You be our person like that.
Biko Kedo, where is my baby? Yeah?
She's inside.
She's inside.
This thing one share fine where sha.
Mommy.
You're welcome.
The love, baby. The love.
I just getting yourself.
Open up.
Open no dey now.
I got you.
Hi.
Oh,
You both should take care of yourselves. I am going to miss you. But I'll come back in 2 weeks' time to see you. We'll keep in touch, okay?
Go and collect her.
I'll miss you so much. Miss you too. Please be safe, okay? And stay safe. Keep the community calm.
Yes, very calm.
I be peacemaker. My name is Peacemaker.
I'll miss you. So the thing is, I'll come back in 2 weeks' time. I'll miss you.
Wait, you too hurry. Wait before you go. Yes. No, vex. That's right.
What's the problem again?
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute.
Time.
No worry.
We can't talk here.
Come like this.
You can say. I'm enjoying. They're my artists. I'm managing them. I'll take care of them.
Anyway, see, this better be important. I don't like the fact I'm keeping my husband waiting. What is it? Why did you come
Husband. Where you be they go before? No, you just come out. You're picking husband, you won't come out. Where you be they go?
Are you bad? Are you okay? What sort of stupid question is that?
Wow, it is not a stupid question. No, don't say that. Oh,
Naka information, naka.
You don't do marriage finish now. You dey enter motor to follow Silas go where? Who you won't leave all the plate to food for back here, all the dirty dishes for? See the cooler, see everything, see crate, nothing. Who you won't leave her for?
That is why I have you both. Do it, take care of it, return it to the owners.
As what?
I've already paid.
As what? As your slave? Or as your boy? Madam, go pull this white and you wear me, you come begin. You go wash plate. If you know say you want follow side go today, you go wash plates. All those cooler, you go clean all of them, you go return everything. See, all those chair, you go still carry them. Go return and give to owner. You know they go anywhere.
Now your marriage will not be yours. Which can we do marriage? Which kind of thing?
Why go do work for marriage when I no do?
Hey!
If not because of this cut and bake cloth one I give me, now make you want to talk anyhow. Respect yourself.
You know what? It's really obvious you both are drunk. So I'll just let it slide. Okay? Like I said earlier, I love you both so much and I'll miss you. Sincerely from my heart. Don't try me. You go nowhere. Don't try me. You go nowhere. I am a married woman.
Okay, now single with single, no keep person. Chest your marriage, make us chest our singlehood.
I will call my husband.
I
will call my husband.
You want make him
now? I'm a married woman now.
Your husband self never forget.
Now make me the temper today.
Silas will discipline you. He will discipline you both.
You think that this person gift owner? I go.
Babe,
who be babe?
Carry and come now.
My friends come to your sister. In-law.
calm
You
down.
know, say na white you wear. Just go. We see they talk to our sister. This one our sister's issue.
Na family
Go
man.
that side.
No, we don't have time.
Who you dey tell you? Let's go.
No,
I don't understand. You know the question.
Don't go anywhere.
Don't try me. Don't try me. See. I don't even think they go anywhere. I'm from my first day there. Baby, please. I move.
Baby, what?
I said,
you
I
say
move.
fast now. You know she dey run up
You
on
know
the
they go
line.
anywhere.
Okay, fine. Okay?
Okay.
I've heard you. Fine.
Okay.
Comot this one first. Make I hold am first.
Give am, make talk to baby. Come on, baby. You know, it's not tata. Come this way, talk.
You go know what you say back.
You know they go anywhere and I dey here. I mount. No worry. Make talk to tata.
Okay. You know what? Just go. I need to sort this out with them.
I don't understand.
will come.
Never.
Let me just sort this
Never!
out.
I'm not do that kind of thing. What are you talking about? No, tell me which Igbo culture and tradition does this thing you are telling me.
I will come
After
back.
traditional marriage, I will go without my
I
wife.
just need to drink their fuck up. I'll come back. I'll come.
Silas. I went to the hand. I will not go with my wife. What is this one? No, I will not take this
You
one.
know that thing.
I will not take this one. What is this one now?
So you want us to bring back the
No.
I will come
Can you
back.
listen to this nonsense they are saying?
I will come back. I'm coming. Before 6 o'clock, I'll
Now
come.
when you be there, that one will know. Don't be down here, this one.
So make I comot
Relax.
shoe first.
Comot your shoe,
Comot
make
your
we
shoe
carry you
first.
enter.
This
Come,
thing dey
come.
heavy. You go heavy you as you dey bend down.
You
Dey
no go
walk
easy,
straight.
you go still remove this white cloth. Oh yeah, go
Wey
inside,
no
go inside,
stay.
go inside, yeah? Go start to
So
go
don't
join the
carry that
shop.
for.
You
So
see that?
first carry the plate na give am
No,
for
we see the no. Chukwusu still dey there in the.
Chukwusi, you don drink finish.
Don't dey
Never
okay.
drink
No,
finish.
finish the glass, relax.
Come, make I tell you something.
Wetin you wan tell
Come
me?
on now.
Hold am, make you no go.
No,
Mat your guy, mat your guy.
Go pepper soup, go bring her.
Pepper soup.
You see, she don't try well. Give am, she don't hear. But pepper soup, hot one.
Oh yeah, sit down, sit down. You know, make I tell you.
Look where you finish that plate.
No, say I be your manager, no the chief manager waiting.
Yes. Let's go.
She dey go back here.
After bring the pepper soup now, the pepper soup, and I
Those women when they bring out pepper soup and I give it for food.
Yes, so.
go bring her
Come
now.
on,
She
you
go
are
bring
just
herself.
bad.
Relax.
Relax. Small bottle.
I won't carry her bag. Where her bag? Her bag, don't send her. Don't keep her.
Ready to fight you anytime. Everyday fighting.
Don't let her finish. Married woman. Oh, they're clean, oh.
Na this place na she want to wash am.
Ebele. And Somto. Where are the monies they sprayed us today?
Which money?
What sort of question is that? The money I saw you girls picking. Where is it? Where are they? Allow me to finish.
Okay.
If you know what is best for you girls, go in there, bring out my money and hand it over to me right now. I don't want jokes, I don't want drama. Just go in there and give me my money.
You don't finish. Ada. No, why you wicked like this? I don't check am, I don't put one or two together. See, say you dey very, 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 very wicked. Today, na your marriage, you don't marry. You get husband, you dey go your husband house. Where we say everything wey you want dey for that house. You no need to stress yourself again. You still come dey chook eye for this small one wey me and my sister go take get ourselves. This one wey we go take dey alright, still dey chook your eye inside. What be juju be that?
So because I am married, you think you have the right to steal from me? To steal from my husband and I? See, this one, let me just tell you both, eh? This is outside jokes. If you know what is best for you, go in there, bring the money they sprayed my husband and I today and submit it to me this minute.
That's why first go police station, go report case, no be in the way, man. You two dey shout, calm down.
Upe.
As for your information,
If you don't want me to burn your things,
no money.
go inside, bring the money and submit it to me this minute.
Before you
Hold
raise
on
your
now.
voice, the cooler when they the other side, you wash them. Because this one you dey talk to, you just dey smoke shit.
Don't mind
I
am.
better go inside and get my money.
Or what? Born am now. You know they even shame.
I better go inside and get my money.
You see they find.
You see the other side of me this house, oh. Never could see the other side.
You will see the other side of me. And they wait up. You dey go outside. You dey shout. Why they worry me for here?
Chukwudi, if you are certain that you're my son, you will use your brain to do everything possible to make yourself proud. If you play foolishness in the city, you will be a fool forever. Well, a word is enough for the wise. Yakigawa, I will pray for you.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you. I'll be on my way now.
It's a bad draw. My job for my own.
Okay, Papa.
Watch the road though. Because,
Okay, Papa.
See, give woman. You ma carry one big bag. What is this? And you know we talk now.
Why you want to tell me for one push am now?
I will still block her. I just give her make she feel say she
Sister never collect her. Last thing that she just collect.
Where you go? You dey waka people dey follow you to waka.
They give to people.
You dey slave. You know see get
our manager now.
I'm going to my husband's house. I've done everything that needs to be done.
Not today. Now you know we talk since. But don't tell us we have to pack things. Make we go.
I understand.
Go.
What are you going to pack?
We dey follow you go now. You know
To where?
To your husband's house, of course.
What are you supposed to mean?
I don't understand. You won't leave us here for this village for what now?
You understand? What are you saying?
We dey go your husband house together.
How can you tell me that you're going to my husband's house?
Who you want leave us for? Who you want leave us for when you go to take care of us? Who go dey pamper us? Wait, Ada, make I ask you this question. Who you want keep here? Abi, who want come be breadwinner?
Nah, who want do the identity for this house now?
You both should cast vote among yourself and crown the most foolish the breadwinner. As for me, I am done. Done with you girls, done with this family.
See, you're not going anywhere.
Oh, really?
You're not going anywhere.
Says who?
Says me, Somto. You're going nowhere. If you're living here, we will go with you.
Okay.
Yes.
Stop me. And let this be the very last time you get on my nerves again. Let this be the last time you try this rubbish again.
Slap her again, make I see. Slap her again, make I will chop off this your hand.
Uncle, thank God you're here. Uncle, Uncle, tell these girls to leave me alone.
Amara.
What is all this now? What is this?
Amara, what is happening here? Huh? Your husband called. Are you not going to the city again?
It's you know these two fools. They don't want me to leave. They don't want to let me go.
Ebere. Sonto.
Uncle.
What is your problem?
Uncle, see, she's not leaving this house. No, she's not leaving this house without us. We are going with her to her husband's house. And that's a period.
Wait. You guys want to move over to our in-laws' place? Just like that?
Yes.
Please. Give the newly married couple peace. Allow them to have their privacy.
Uncle, this is three sisters. We are a package deal. 3 musketeers.
Don't count me in, oh. Do not count me in. I am not your sister in any way. Don't count me in.
Come on.
Uncle, tell these girls to leave my way. Tell them to leave me. Leave me now. Let me go to my husband's house. What the problem is this?
You go nowhere without us. That's the point.
Why would you even think I would want to bring you to my husband's house? The same Silas that you both fought in this village while he was still in this village before he left. The same Silas, and you think he will just wholeheartedly accept you in his house?
He has to. And we make a good be.
Somto. Wait, all of na don dey talk since. You know, say Ada, I tell you something, say. May you carry that your leke hand, slap him again. You get my slap my sister. Oh, you big. You dey crazy. Meanwhile, you now when you go carry this work, you still come here. What do your mind tell you when you call your phone to? No. What for your mind and you dey speak, you get brave, you dey talk. See this your red cap. I dey respect him. And as I dey respect you so, carry you and this your red cap. May you come over here. This one are family matters.
Uncle, warn them. Want them to stay off my way. Stay off my path. Ebele, I have been keeping you calm for a very long time now. Ebele, You've been getting on my nerves for a very, very long time now. Uncle, one them, oh. One them.
When you talk finish, you go back that house. No, they come up for here. You know, don't try and come up for here. After you go on, you won't give me stay. You won't give me stay. You won't go anywhere. You won't give me.
These two girls are ready to fight you anytime.
Amara, what is it? Why are you coming here by this time of the day? It's even raining. So you have not gone to Lagos?
You will not understand. My sisters, they held me hostage. They refused me stepping an inch out of the house. For a long time, please, can I stay here? Please.
You can stay, you can stay. Just wait, let me pack this clothes. Hey.
Mama said we must depend on you to survive.
She must have run out while we are asleep.
So this girl has escaped us. She has gone to the city without us.
There's no way she would have made it to the park that late at night. That's not possible. I think I know where she would be.
Where?
I told you to always leave the thinking to me. Chinelo's house, of course. You know what? Let's go there.
Ahead.
Let's go.
2 seconds.
These two girls are ready to fight you anytime. Every day fighting, every day wahala. East, west, north and south. They are ready to scatter. They don't care at all. Every day fighting.
Yeah. Akpambo.
East, west, north and south.
Enya.
Amara!
Amara!
Come out here. Come.
Amara, show. We know you are in there. Don't even hide. Just come out.
Ebere, what are you people doing here?
I don't understand. Listen, if you know what is good for you, just go inside there now and offload our sister to us. Else you're not leaving this house.
Which sister? I thought she's in the city.
What kind of stupid talk is that? Or will you go in there and bring my sister out? What's this one?
Shady, why not us?
Wait, are you talking to me like that?
You are lost of sense. See you
What is wrong with you?
Keep quiet. Go and bring my sister. You are very mad.
Are you talking to me
go
like
inside.
that?
Who are you? Go and bring my sister out for me. You think you came here to joke with me?
Amara, come out here.
Amara, don't make me come inside there. Don't make me come inside. You better come out here.
See, if you're denying, let's go inside.
Come and assume your responsibility. Come out here.
Yes, we want to search the house.
You want to search this house?
Yeah, that we go search and nothing go happen. Whether you like her or you don't like her, we go search her.
Una don't turn police and army. Maybe so una want
You
search
don't
my house.
Since you claim she's not in here, we want to search it.
Okay, go and search the house. Go and search the house so that I'll show you who my father is.
Who won't go see rats for your house? Madam, go bring her sister, come.
You want search my house? It be like say you don't forget say my papa na army, abi? You want search my house? Oh yeah, come and search.
Amara!
Come and search the house now. Wait, I'm coming. Let me just get something. You want to search the house?
This girl figure gone for her house. Go. He who lives to run today lives to fight another.
Come and search it!
This girl figure gone.
I go block you for junction.
You will block me. Come and search. Come and search the house.
Sit down. I should sit down?
Sit down, you have gone.
This conversation. Sit down.
Hi. This your sister said. They are very troublesome.
Troublesome is understatement. These children, they are wasted products. I'm telling you, they are crazy. I have for 1%. I'm telling you.
They have gone. Relax your mind.
Chinelo, I don't think I can stay here. I mean, here is not safe for me. I need to go somewhere that I can, be comfortable and be able to arrange myself before going back to my husband's house. Certainly not here. I can't stay here anymore.
I understand. I think I have a better place for you to stay.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Where is that?
My grandmother's place, Atobolo. At least you can go there and stay. Eh?
I don't mind, Chinelo.
It's fine. We'll just leave at night so that nobody will see us, okay?
Thank you so much, Chinelo. Thank you.
Calm down. They are late. They cannot come back now. They know this compound.
No, these two girls, they can come back home.
No sure. I don't trek around this village. Don't even pass all the koro in this village. I no see Ada. Sonto, that stupid girl don't leave us, don't run, go meet side.
Hey! So like this now, this girl don't escape also. She don't leave us here, go meet Silas. He be the route we go do now.
For the very first time, I don't know. I know, so I thought I would think for two of us, but right now, I did recess, I tire.
This girl get mind, she wicked. She get strong mind though. She just leave us here and make we language, we just die for here.
Hi.
Meanwhile, you know, sir, should ask that question just now, something enter my head now. Hope you know they think say na me will come be the breadwinner, sha.
Well, now you be the next in line.
No, respect yourself. Now I know say your mind don't they play tricks. No let them play tricks.
I be last born. I don't get
everybody go answer your papa name. No try me.
No, they answer your papa name. Me and you were in this together.
No, I beg.
We are in this together.
No, you no go work. I beg. I know they in the mood. I dey heartbroken.
Mama, oh!
Who is this?
Mama, it's me, Chinelo.
Mama. I'm happy to see you.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, good evening, Mama.
Good evening. You came with somebody. Who is she?
My best friend, Amara.
Hey, Amara.
Ma?
You're welcome.
Thank you, Ma.
Don't you know it's dangerous to embark on a journey like this at this time of the night? Eh? Chejun?
I know. Just that it's emergency, so we have to come by this time. I'm sorry.
Emergency?
Yes.
What emergency? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Amara, those sisters of yours, they lack parental orientation. They don't know what they have until they lose it. I'm happy that you escaped them. God, welcome home. I'm happy you're here now. You can stay as much as you can. Each no 6 months, 6 years. You can stay. The house is yours.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you.
Hey. Oh, go to the kitchen. I don't know that you people were coming. I already made a porridge yam. Porridge yam. Go and get it. I know people must be hungry. Yam.
Yes, Mama, we're very hungry.
Please, I cooked some porridge yam. Get it, You also get mat.
Okay.
So that you can lie down,
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you. Good night,
Thank you, Mama.
Amara, wake up now. We're running late. Huh?
Wazico. It's already day. Hi. Let's go. Go and freshen up so that you can get ready.
Abi, that's true. Hey, where is Mama now? Where is Mama?
Mama has gone to the market. Go and freshen up so that we'll run along. Before you miss the first bus.
Oh, yeah.
No, leave it. Don't worry, I'll take it. Just go and freshen up. Go and freshen up. I'll tidy it up.
Are you sure?
Yes, okay. Listen. There, yeah.
My damn son. Oh, kept you so long. I've been waiting.
Hey, it's a long story, honestly. Sincerely, I wouldn't have been here if not for my friend Chinelo.
Really? What's happened?
My sisters. They held me down. They refused to let me go except I take them along with me.
Jesus. But really, those sisters of yours need to be dealt with. I mean, they cannot just be disturbing you like this. Hmm?
I know.
My love, yeah.
The good thing is I'm here now.
Yeah.
And I missed you.
I missed you too. I missed you too so much. But first of all, you need to go and take a shower, okay? Freshen up.
I know, I'm tired. Baby, it's been a hell of a week. My sisters are crazy. God, I've been through a lot.
I know.
A lot. I just want to be pampered.
Amara, come out here.
What is it? Why are you screaming? Why are you shouting? Are you mad?
Yes, I am mad. I am mad, oh, Amara, because I've carried all those things I need to do, Shekere. I'm walking along the road. You that is not mad, you that have sense. So you have the mind, with this your black face, you carried it into this your heart and made your heart really black. You took us to that place where they rear dogs and pigs to go and put us there. I mean, do we resemble goats in your eyes?
I don't understand. Are you having amnesia? I thought we talked about this. What was our agreement?
What stupid agreement is that? Hey, no, show us where we signed that nonsense agreement. See, we just keep quiet for you, make you for carry us come jelly. Now when we don't come, you better carry us go better room. Not be that big toilet where you carry go keep for there for us. If not, me personally, you go see me for your husband bed. Your matrimonial bed, go, and just go sleep.
Somto, are you okay?
No. My sister no dey mad. She not dey mad. What did they worry you? Amara, you carry this your black mind. Go put us for room where they embalm dead body. You dey craze? No, you dey craze. See, as you don't talk and say, we no go sleep well. You no go put us for 5-star. You no give us 5-star treatment. I promise you yourself no go sleep.
At all.
Choose one. You know what? I really do not have time for no SSS right now.
SSS.
I need to...